What is a real number? A real number is any number that can be placed on a number line. If you can point to a position on a straight line and say this number belongs here, then it is a real number. Real numbers include numbers we use every day, like 1, 2, -5 and 0. They also include numbers with decimal values like 3.5 or -2.7. Even numbers that go on forever like pi or square root of 2 are real numbers. In simple words, real numbers represent real quantities that we can measure, count, or compare in the real world. Length, weight, time, distance, temperature, and money are all described using real numbers. That is why they are called real numbers. Types of real numbers. Real numbers are divided into different groups, but all of them belong to the same real number family. Natural numbers are counting numbers like 1, 2, and 3. Whole numbers include 0 along with counting numbers. Integers include positive numbers, negative numbers, and 0. Rational numbers are numbers that can be written as fractions like 1/2 or 3/4, and they can also be written as decimals that end or repeat. Irrational numbers are numbers that cannot be written as simple fractions and have decimals that never end and never repeat, like pi. Even though these groups look different, they are all real numbers because they all fit on the number line. Why real numbers are important. Real numbers are important because they help us describe the real world accurately. When you measure the height of a person, the speed of a car, or the temperature of a room, you are using real numbers. Engineers use real numbers to design buildings and machines. Scientists use them to study motion, energy, and space. Even in daily life, when you shop, cook, or travel, real numbers are everywhere. In simple terms, real numbers are the numbers that help us understand and measure everything around us. If a number can represent something real and measurable, it is a real number.